how to set the keyboard into handwriting keyboard. So like this. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more video like this. Go to Settings. In Settings, go to System. In System, go to Language and Input. And go to Keyboard section. Here you can see the on-screen keyboard. Tap this and tap the Gboard. In Gboard, go to Language. Here in Language or Keyboard Language, tap the language you use. And the language is set into QWERTY. So if you want to use the handwriting, okay, on the right side, there are many menu of keyboard. And select the handwriting and uncheck the QWERTY. Tap the done button below to save the handwriting. Okay, we can try it. So handwrite here. That's it.